Hello everybody, today I want to share with you my process of recycling my son's jacket into Halloween decor. I want to sew a pumpkin that can be hung on the door, and the first stage is to deconstruct the jacket into parts. Next, I draw a pumpkin pattern. The size should not be larger than the size of the back of the jacket. I choose evil face, and you can also choose a face with a smile. It depends on you. Yes, you guessed it right. These are my son's underpants. It's just neon green goes well with neon orange, isn't it? Moreover, these panties are already too small for my son. I lay a regular stitch with the largest step and then sew with zigzag. In this way, I combine three layers of fabric: a black fabric, then wadding, and after that a top fabric, in this case neon green or neon orange. I cut and excess fabric close to the zigzag threads. I do similar sewing with the body of the pumpkin, and also do not forget about the loop behind the stem. Wow, you can see the finished result. This is how the pumpkin looks from the brightly colored side. This is how it looks from the reverse side. All black, total black is also cool, isn't it? After I sewed this pumpkin, I decided to use the leftover pieces of the jacket. I found a tutorial where you can download the pattern and understand how to sew a voluminous pumpkin. I will leave a link to the tutorial in the info box. I think that it's not necessary to comment on the process. As for me, everything is very clear. You know what? I consider these pumpkins to be must every Halloween. So easy to sew and look so brilliantly stylish. I got four small pumpkins and two large ones. I hope you enjoyed my video. Thank you for watching and see you next time.